Let's cook corn vada. Ingredients: sweet corn kernels, 2 spoons of gram flour, 1 spoon rice flour, curry leaves, coriander leaves, 1 onion, 3 chilies, cumin seeds, coriander powder, salt, turmeric. Firstly, in a blender add that sweet corn and chilies. You can use fresh or frozen sweet corn. Blend to a coarse paste without adding any water. Now add half cup besan, half cup rice flour, and add some cumin seeds, 1 spoon coriander powder, 1 spoon salt, half spoon turmeric. Add 1 finely chopped onion, coriander leaves. Mix it well. Light the stove. Add oil. Deep fry in hot oil on medium flame until the vada turns golden, brown, and crispy. Drain off the vada onto the tissue paper to remove excess oil. Looks great. Finally, enjoy sweet corn vada with tomato sauce.